Now in this video, I'm going to give you exclusive access to my YouTube analytics. I'm also going to answer the question whether it is worthwhile starting a YouTube channel or not, and whether YouTube channel can be your full-time job. What's up everybody, my name is K Barney. Now today is the first time I am actually showing my face on this particular channel, and I am I had to do this video because I really wanted to explain some few stuff, and I also wanted to show people who are about to create a channel or about to start their own channel to have in-depth insight on what they're about to get themselves into, because nobody showed me, nobody told me, and nobody is saying anything, nobody is showing their analytics, nobody is showing nothing. And so it's difficult for us to have informed judgment, and I don't want anybody to go through the problems that I had and had to discover things the hard way. I want to share everything with you. I want to show you every single thing for actually subscribing to my channel and for being part of this family. I think I owe you that, right? Absolute transparency. And so that's what I want to do today. But if you haven't liked this video yet, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so, because there are many amazing contents that are about to roll over on this channel, and I'll be very happy if you do not miss out on that one. So I'll step into YouTube and I'll show you my analytics for now for you to see what I'm talking about. Now, I started this channel all the way in 2020, May specifically. A client told me to design a cover art for her, and then also asked me to actually put up a music lyrics video for her as well. And this particular client was going to launch the music art Tang Palace in Accra, Ghana, and I did it for the client. I got some few bucks as well, but she did not have a YouTube channel, so she wanted me to put it on my channel, and I did so. That was the first video that I did. But then after that, I actually made a tutorial showing you guys how to create a certain text effect, and I uploaded it. It also went quite well. And so the second video that I made was actually a tutorial video, and that was in the month of October 2021. And so I regard that one as actually a tutorial video that I made. And at the end of the entire year, guys, I made about $30-something after I got monetized, and I wasn't really happy about that because I felt like I've put so much into it and I'm actually earning nothing out of it. Now in this video, I'm going to give you exclusive access to my YouTube analytics. I am going to show you all the things that you need to know. I'm also going to answer the question whether it is worthwhile starting a YouTube channel or not, and whether YouTube channel can be your full-time job. As somebody who wants to start a Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to answer the question whether YouTube is actually something that is for us, whether we should continue doing it or we shouldn't, whether I'm going to close this channel or I'm still going to pursue it as well. And so with that said, let's step into YouTube. Let me show you a little bit more information. So the whole year of 2022, I made this amount. Now guys, remember the last quarter I made $131. Now the whole year, the entire year, I made this amount. I made this amount. Now, let me divide this by 12 months and then let's see. All right, guys, hold on. Let's divide this by 12 months and then let's see. Okay, so I made an average of $24 a month. I made an average of $24 a month. Now that is crazy, guys. That's crazy. This is something for the entire year. I'm making $24 a month. And this is something I want to make my full-time job. Okay, now everybody that starts something that is paying them money wants to make it their full-time job, right? You want that to take care of you, take care of your wife, take care of your kids, take care of your family, take care of your dreams as well. And this is making me $24 a month for the entire year. Okay, so I asked myself certain questions whether I should stop YouTube channel or I should continue with it, and I set myself a target. Okay, 4 years. Now I am in my 3rd year. And that means after next year, if I don't make quite good money, I'm actually planning on quitting YouTube because I'm not actually making enough money. And if I would come back, I would actually go to a different niche, because YouTube is like every other company. And so I thought that maybe the niche I joined is also quite wrong. Now guys, also take notice of this. The country that you find yourself in is also going to affect your income as well. And it is what it is. There's nothing you can do about it. And then also the audience or the country the audience is coming from that actually watches your video also actually affects the revenue too. And so all these are factors that come into play when YouTube calculates the revenue. And so the year of 2020 2, this is the amount of money that I made. Until this year, I started to actually change stuff. And so guys, you need to rebrand your channel. Your title also plays a lot of factors. The tags you use goes a long way to affect your channel. And your thumbnail, guys, your thumbnail affects a lot of things. Your cover art, your YouTube cover art, you need to make sure you rebrand your channel. It looks captivating and very interesting. Once you do that, it looks like you are a professional guy, right? And you know what you are doing. If you do this stuff, guys, and you do it well, your channel is going to blow up like mine did this particular year. And you can see the month of February this year, I made $13 a month. Now March, I made $12. April, I made $12. May, I made $12. And I was like, I can't continue this way. And that's when I started the rebranding. I started doing some serious rebranding, and to my amazement, guys, I started doing some serious rebranding, and guys, to my amazement, things just turned around. It just turned around. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. This is it. You can see the amount of money I made in just June alone. This is the amount of money I made just June alone. And July just started. We are in July 3rd, and this is the amount I have made so far. And even that is going to go up. It's still going to go up. You can see it just keeps on fluctuating. It's still going to go up again. Okay, now you can see I am making around $24 a day, goes down to $18, goes to $26, goes down. I mean, it just keeps on, goes to $20, goes to $13 a day, $9 a day. It's $7. It just keeps on fluctuating, keeps on going up and keeps on going down. And it's all because of the strategies I am using. And I'm going to show you all these strategies very soon. Guys, subscribe to this channel and don't miss out on any video. If you're somebody that wants to start a YouTube channel, this is the right time to start. Do not quit it. This is the right time to start. Once your channel blows up. And funny enough, let me show you something. Funny enough, I used to get 1 subscriber a day, 2 subscribers a day, 10 subscribers a day. Sometimes it goes as low as no subscriber a day. Okay, but the highest I have gone so far, a subscriber is 5 subscribers a day. I don't think, it's only on rare occasions I go to 10 subscribers a day. But guys, look at it over here. I want you to see something. You can see 31 subscribers goes to 38, comes down to 32, and goes to 50 something, goes to 60 something, comes to 9, goes to all the ways to 7, and it keeps on fluctuating. It keeps on doing like that. It just keeps on doing the same thing over and over again. So and the maximum I have made within 28 days is around 40 subscribers. But now you can see it's over 854 subscribers in just 28 days. Now guys, these strategies really work. Okay, work on your thumbnails, work on your tags, work on your title, work on your descriptions, and then change your cover art, make it professional, and then see how it's going to transform your channel. Also, the kind of videos you make really is important. Now I am going to show you all these stuff, guys. I'm going to make various videos explaining how to move from a complete beginner to how you're going to become a professional designer, to how you're going to design better thumbnails, to how I'm going to show you all the tricks and the tips and the strategies I used in creating this. I think you can also benefit from it, and I feel like I shouldn't hide it from you. I feel like there are many people here who are also not only subscribers but also have a YouTube channel, and they are struggling trying to make ends meet and trying to see whether this is something that is for them. Please don't give up. Okay, I have a piece of advice for you, a piece of advice that is ingrained in the strategies that I use, that I also want you to apply as well. Okay, so this is the amount of money that I made this particular month, guys. This is the amount of money I made this particular month. And so the question is, can you make a living out of YouTube? Yes, you can make a living out of it. But then here is the secret, guys. Do not focus yourself on just creating tutorial videos. Don't do that. Once you do that, you are going to limit yourself. Now, there are people who are making a living on YouTube in Ghana here. Outside Ghana, there are India, Australia, Italy, USA. Many people are making a living out of YouTube alone. But in Ghana, I can mention a few. We have Koyo Sheldon, we have Wodimaya, we have Nee and AJ, we have the headless YouTuber. There are a lot of them making a living out of YouTube. It's like YouTube is their main job that they are doing, guys. Like YouTube is their main job that they are doing, and they don't do anything else. Koyo Sheldon will tell you that this is my job, I get paid to do this, and so he's gone full out, and that's what perhaps someday I want to do. This is just for this month. I really want to make good videos, and I really want to transform. You can see the camera I'm using. I need to get a good camera. I have never had any sponsor on this channel. There was a time ago that a subscriber called Nana Wilfred, he wanted to give me a laptop to actually do my work, and I refused it. I told him that no, I actually wanted to do it on my own, and up to now I still regret it. I want to ask him for it, but I can't ask him for it. He's really my good friend. Okay, we stay in touch, WhatsApp each other from time to time, but it's been a while we talk through. But he's really my good friend, and I'm really grateful for such a gesture, because it's not everybody that can do that. But if you're out there and you really want to sponsor me in any way, whether it's monetary or gadgets or whatever it is, kindly send me a message. My Instagram handle is going to be by my cover art over there. Just send me a message over there, or you can even send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to leave the number on the screen. You can send me a message as well, and then we would figure out a way of receiving it. And so if you're out there and you want to start a YouTube channel, you need to upload consistently. You need to upload minimum 3 times a week. I've taken it upon myself to upload about 6 times a week, and so that's because I want to earn a lot, okay, and I want to make this full time, and so and I also want to make good content for everybody. I want to show especially the beginners how to move from becoming a beginner to all the way to becoming a pro graphic designer, without even going to a graphic design school, because I didn't go to graphic design school. I learned this on my own with this machine in front of me and then the software installed. Now if you want to know how some of my videos went viral and how I found some of the videos I was supposed to create, it was because of a tool that I used. I'm going to leave it in the description. It's a paid version that I use, but you can also use the free version. It totally works perfectly. Check in the description. If you want to make a payment, they're going to give you a very good discount because it's coming from me, and so you're going to get a very good discount. I'm just checking the description. You'll find a link over there. It's going to show you 20 videos. It's going to show you certain tags you are supposed to use. It's also going to show you the rankings and how you are supposed to go about. YouTube is a very complex place to be, and this particular tool actually helps you to navigate through the waters easily. And so the final advice I'd like to give you is also do not focus on creating just YouTube Photoshop tutorial videos. Don't do that, because you are not actually going to earn much. Let me show you my CPM. You can see I have 1.52 as RPM over here. RPM basically means that revenue for every 1k views. That means every 1,000 views I earn $1.5. Now other niches are earning $20, and it's because of the niche I find myself into, and also because of the country I find myself into as well. And so this is the amount that I'm earning, but there's nothing wrong with that, right? I was still able to earn this with it. If I was in the US, now if I was in the USA or any other country, I probably would have been earning around $4,000 or something equivalent, okay? But the niche that I find myself into is also playing a very important role here. Okay, now YouTube tutorial videos doesn't really have much CPM and doesn't really generate much RPM too as well. Okay, so you need to strategize. That's what I'm saying. You need to strategize, and I do not want you to just focus yourself on creating Photoshop tutorial videos for YouTube. You need to make sure it's a high paying niche, or you have added a high paying niche to a low paying niche together, and then you are running it as a brand. So guys, this is it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and send your comments, your opinion as well. I know my camera is not good, but I'm going to do something about it. Guys, see you in the next video. Peace.